Gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to discuss the importance of investing in yourself, buying in to you, buying in to your potential, and buying in to future you and the life that you want to build. You know, it's all well and good going through life having a little bit of belief, saying, you know, if things go the way I want them to go, and I work hard enough and I've got enough luck on my side, I think I'm gonna make it. I think if I do all of those things, I'm gonna put myself in the best position to make it. No. No. You need to believe in you. Absolutely, categorically believe in you. None of this, I think if I do this, I might be successful. Your subconscious brain is going to start picking up on these cues that you are giving yourself. And it is going to start preparing you for failure because you're not certain in your conviction that you're going to do something. You know, obviously, we don't know what's going to happen in this world. Obviously, there are things that are out of our control. But the one thing that is in our control is the way that we think. You know, we have absolute autonomy over our thoughts. So in a way, if you're not confident about your ability to be successful, to achieve your goals, you have to sort of lie to yourself. Now, it's strange advice to hear. You know, you might think, why would you tell yourself something that's not true? And the truth is, because your thoughts can often shape your reality. You know, it might not be true that you're not capable of achieving something. But like me, we have all, at some time in our life, convinced ourselves that we're not capable of achieving something, only to maybe go and achieve it. So why not flip it the other way, into a positive trail of thought? Instead of saying we can't do something, tell ourselves we can do something and we are going to do something. Now, you don't need to tell everybody about the things that you know you are going to achieve. You don't have to be the guy that's overly confident. You know, some people will think you're crazy because they don't understand what you're doing. But you need to start convincing yourself and telling yourself that you are going to achieve these things. Not that you might if everything goes right. Not that you're going to try your very best and hope that everything aligns. No, you will. And when you start doing that, you start to reprogram the subconscious brain. It is a weapon, because when you're not entirely bought into your vision, you're not entirely bought into the reality that you are going to achieve something, your brain knows that and you half-ass the things that you do. If you haven't got proper conviction, there's an escape route. There's an option for if things don't work out. But if you truly, truly believe, there is no escape route. So your brain starts to operate on a level where it knows that this is it. This is the only thing. We can't fail. And that is what the most successful people do. You know, in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, it is discussed through hundreds of different interviews with the most successful people within that generation about how they would use certain mindsets to trick the subconscious brain and convince themselves that they really are going to achieve these things no matter what. And in most of the cases, in most of the instances, that way of thinking, that way of reprogramming the subconscious brain, where they told themselves they are going to achieve it no matter what, it worked. The same way that when you convince yourself that you're not good enough, when you convince yourself that it's too saturated, when you convince yourself that too many people have done it before and the opportunity's gone and you're not capable of it, naturally, the very thing that you tell yourself that you can't do, you don't do. You know? So start to change the language in your brain and start to invest 100% into yourself, into the man you want to become. You know, if you really believe, truly believe on a deep level that you are going to achieve something, and you are consistent and persistent, and you are willing to learn and willing to listen, then you're going to achieve it. I don't care what anybody says. Unless somebody shoots you dead, unless you run into a lovely yellow bus going 40 miles per hour and something terrible happens, you're going to achieve it. You know, it is just the belief. I fully believe in me. I have bet all my chips on me. I have bought all of my available stock. That is a mindset to have. Don't be telling yourself you can't. Don't be telling yourself that it's too difficult, too many people have done it, the opportunity's gone. No. So long as you believe the opportunity's gone, the opportunity is gone. But if you believe you can, you can. Anyway, guys, I really hope you took something from this video today. If you did, make sure to smash the subscribe button, like this video, comment your thoughts down below. If you are interested, there is a men's Discord community, link in my bio. We're going to get together, we're going to talk about some problems, we're going to talk about some solutions to those problems and help each other level up in any way that we can. If you're interested in one-to-one coaching with me, hit the link down below, book a slot, and I'll see you on the other side. As always, thank you for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next one.